Well, welcome back. As I say, we've cut our kit. There are some things to finish off on the kit before we pack it up for our customer, and we thought we'd talk through those quickly. Now, you'll need a cordless drill, and pretty much that's it. Everything else is in the box. Now, there's a box of parts, and inside there is your gasket, your little shuttles that need to go into the end of the eaves beams, your drill jig for drilling the ends of the hip rafters, and the tape which I mentioned about applying to the glass trims. So I'll take you through each one of these so you can see it for yourself. So first of all, the top caps. Now, as you say, the clip section which we cut, you need to slide into each of the clips. These are the top cap clips. It's all the same. It's all the same clip. Now, apart from just the clips, you'll need your gasket. Now, gasket's very simple to do. I'm sure all of you have slid gaskets into aluminium sections before, so this is not rocket science, but we just wanted to show you what's involved. So 2 gaskets either side of the top cap. So we have our top caps with our clips in and our gaskets in, and that's that section done. Now, when we cut the hip rafters, I mentioned to you that there was 2 holes to drill at the end of the hip rafters. Now, inside your box, you'll find your little jig. Just slide that into the end. And then with your 4mm drill, you drill your 2 guide holes. Once your 2 guide holes are drilled with the jig, you can swap your drill bit over to your 7.5mm drill bit and drill your main holes. Now, we use 2-side drill bits purely because it makes it a lot more accurate and easier to drill. So there's the 2 drill holes in each of the hip rafters. 4 hip rafters, 8 holes in total. Next sections we wanted to show you is the eaves beam, or inside the eaves beams we need to put these. We call these shuttles. Now, they're mitered at the end, the same as the eaves beams. They slide those into the end, and it has a little locking screw. And the locking screw holds the shuttle in place, stops it moving in transit, and keeps it in place for the customer. Okay. Doesn't fall out, and it's there. Now, there's 8 shuttles to put in, 2 either end of the eaves beams. And then the last section is mentioned we cut the eaves infills. Now, the eaves infills, you need to apply before the kit goes out. It just clips in over the shuttles, and this seals the glass against the eaves beam. That section is now completely finished, ready to be packed up, ready for the customer. Again, just like the eaves beams, the eaves infills go either side of the ridge, and these seal the glass. You need to clip those on too. Needs to be applied to the glass eaves trim. Now, it's double-sided, but you only stick it one side onto the eaves trim. The eaves trim has a serrated side and a flat side on the inside. You stick the tape to the flat side. Don't pull off the protective tape. That's for the customer to do when he applies it to his glass units, when he's fitting it on site. So all that's left to do now to finish your kit would be to pack it up. We recommend using the original boxes. Each of the sections do fold into there, and we do give a little diagram to show you how to pack up each section for a finished customer. It is slightly different from the way it comes out to you. But they thought of everything. The boxes will exactly fit a finished kit for you. So once it's all done, I'll pack it up and I'll just give you a last brief through just to show you what's needed before you send it out to your customer.